Right, you're here because you're interested in this 1980s 86 24-inch snowblower dual stage with tank treads. I mean, that should sell you on it right there. Anyway, this is a 1986 or so snowblower. I've rebuilt the top end, redid the valves, carburetor, put in a fuel cutoff. Went through the whole thing, couple new belts. This thing is ready to go for winter. I used it last winter. It's a great little snowblower, but I have got too much driveway for this little guy. I'm even going to give you some new skids on it. All right, the whole front has been stripped and repainted. Inside, the gearbox has been redone. This thing is great. It even has an electric start on it. So let's go ahead and give it a start for you. Let me give it a little bit of fuel. Pump, pump. No choke. Let's see what happens. Muffler is cold. I can touch it. Here we go. Let's give it some choke. Let's take off the choke. There we go. Great little snowblower. Works well. All right. Flip you around here. Hey, it worked. All right. Anyway, that's all I can do with one hand and one person. But this thing is a rocking little snowblower. 6 gears going across. Give me a shout if you're interested. I'd love for you to come look at it, take it home, and get ready for the winter.